If you're still keeping your crypto on exchanges, your money is not safe. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going over why you should never keep your investments on crypto exchanges and what alternatives you have to making sure your money stays safe. We all love the feeling of being in control. Even if it's a false sense of being in control, we still enjoy having it. When it comes to your finances, you should always be 100% in control of where your money is and what transactions are being made. Today, in an era where everything is done online, it is that much more important to make sure you're in control of what's happening. In this video, I'm going to go over why you should always keep your money off of exchanges and on wallets, whatever type of wallets they may be. So, what does it mean to be in control of your assets? Well, for starters, it means deciding where to keep your assets and who has access to them. Ideally, you should be the only one that has full control over these aspects, and you should maybe have a family member that knows your secret phrases and passwords, just as an extra backup security measure. With the internet being at the forefront of our day-to-day lives and privacy being almost non-existent, it's quite easy, almost too easy for individuals to gain access to our accounts if we aren't careful. When it comes to crypto, one of the main things we can do towards keeping our assets secure is making sure that we do not keep them on crypto exchanges. Exchanges are a wonderful tool, and quite honestly, they're essential when it comes to buying, selling, and trading crypto. But exchanges can also be dangerous. They can decide to pull the plug at any moment and your entire holdings are essentially gone within an instant. Just recently, Coinbase warned their users that they might lose their holdings if the company ever goes bankrupt. Of course, Coinbase is one of the largest crypto exchanges based in the US, so it's very unlikely that they would go bankrupt. But even the fact that they came out and publicly announced that you would lose your holdings if they did go bankrupt is a red flag, and it shouldn't be overlooked. So what is the best place to keep your crypto if not on crypto exchanges? And the answer to that is pretty simple: in a wallet. No, not this type of wallet, a crypto wallet. There's two types of wallet you can use, and these are called hot or cold wallets. A hot wallet is a wallet that is accessible online, whereas a cold wallet is a wallet that cannot be connected to the internet, making it much safer and less at risk of being compromised. Both wallets work in the same way, allowing you to store multiple different currencies safely in one place. Some examples of hot wallets are MetaMask, Phantom, and Myar. Although they are connected to the internet, they are still extremely safe as long as you don't share your 24-key security phrase with anybody. The added benefit of having a hot wallet is that you can access your wallet from anywhere as long as you make sure you have a secure connection and if you have your 24-phrase security key. These wallets are also free to set up, and many of them offer a phone application, making it that much easier to send transactions and crypto directly to each other. In the description, I'm going to post a link to the Myar wallet application. This is Elrond's native wallet where you can send and receive crypto at virtually no fees, and you can also send NFTs and view your NFT collection all on your phone. Again, that's going to be in the description. Check that out because it's pretty awesome. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are physical ledgers that you have to physically connect to your computer whenever you want to view and access your holdings. This means that if you're always on the go or you travel often, you're going to have to bring your physical ledger with you if you want to access your assets. This wallet is also secured by a 24-word secret phrase, and due to the fact that it can't be accessed through the internet, it's, like I said, much more secure and much less at risk and compromisable to certain various hacks. The downside, however, is that cold wallets are not free, and you're going to have to pay at least around $150 for a decent cold wallet. My personal cold wallet, and the one I recommend, is the Ledger Nano X. Again, I'm going to post a link to their website as well in the description if you're curious in buying one. It's pretty great, and I haven't had any issues with it so far. Whether it be cold wallets or hot wallets, try to make a habit of moving your crypto off exchanges as quickly as possible, because they're definitely going to be much more secure as long as you don't share your secret word and phrase with anybody, and always keep the information to yourself no matter what. Another reason to keep your crypto off exchanges is that it gives you the ability to actually use that crypto for something. If you want to buy an NFT, for example, you're going to have to connect your wallet to whatever site you're trying to buy that NFT on, and only through this will you be able to accept, enable, and process this transaction. There's no option to connect a crypto exchange, so when you run into this hurdle, you're going to have to create a wallet anyways and move your crypto onto there. There are also many tokens that aren't listed on centralized exchanges, only on decentralized exchanges such as PancakeSwap or Uniswap. To be able to use any of these decentralized exchanges, you're going to have to connect your wallet, enable transactions, and confirm the swap through your wallet, enabling you to trade for certain various tokens. Although crypto is still very early, there are already use cases, but to be able to use any of these features, you're going to have a wallet that you can connect to the site, allowing you to use whatever this feature may be. Potential hacks against exchanges are also a great incentive not to keep large amounts of crypto on exchanges. Since 2011, over $1.65 billion of crypto assets have been stolen, and these numbers just keep increasing year to year. Hacking attacks are becoming more and more elaborate because, as you can imagine, it's a very high rewarding activity. Another thing to take into account is that crypto exchanges are first and foremost financial markets, not cybersecurity companies. They can try their best, but hacks are inevitable every now and then. So the best thing we can do is make sure our own personal investment is safe and do whatever we can to protect this investment. The reality is, it is very simple to make a wallet to offload your crypto from crypto exchanges. Taking control of your investments can make the difference in times of uncertainty. And one of the easiest ways to take control of your assets is by offloading them off of crypto exchanges. In the meantime, if you have any questions about how to set up a wallet or which wallet may be best to use, you can leave a comment in the description or send me an email, and I'll be happy to answer those to the best of my abilities and help in whatever way I can. In the future, I'm also going to be making more tutorials about how to open up certain wallets, so make sure to look out for those as well. Thank you guys for watching. I do hope you found this content informative and helpful, and if you did enjoy it, please make sure to subscribe and leave a like because it really helps out. See you guys next time.